In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the currency on Shein's website using Google Chrome. Get ready for a seamless shopping experience across borders as I'll guide you through the process step by step. First, make sure you're using Google Chrome as your web browser, as it offers a smooth and user-friendly interface ideal for this task. Once you've got Chrome running, your first move is to type Shein.com into the address bar. Press enter and you'll be whisked away to Shein's vibrant homepage, brimming with the latest fashion finds. Next, let's ensure you're linked up with your Google account for a more personalized and seamless experience. Look towards the top right-hand corner of your browser window. You'll spot the option to log into your Google account if you aren't already. Click on it and enter your login credentials. This step is crucial, as being connected to your account can provide a more tailored browsing session and save your preferences for future visits. With your account all set, direct your attention towards the settings. You'll find this option nestled conveniently on the site. Just look for a small icon or link labeled Settings. This is your gateway to personalizing your shopping experience. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear, presenting you with several customization options. One of these is the currency option, and that's where you'll want to focus. Now, select Currency from this menu. You'll see a list of different currency options to choose from. This feature is particularly handy if you're shopping internationally, allowing you to see prices in a currency you're familiar with, which can make budgeting and purchasing decisions much simpler. Scan through the list and find the currency that suits your needs best. Click on your selected currency, and just like that, you've customized your setting to reflect prices in the currency of your choice. Changing the currency not only personalizes your shopping experience, but also helps you avoid the hassle of on-the-fly conversions when you're calculating totals at checkout. This small yet mighty customization step ensures that all prices are displayed exactly how you prefer, enhancing clarity and ease as you shop. Furthermore, whenever you return to Shein, these settings should remain in place as long as you stay logged into your account. And there you have it. With just a little navigation and a click or two, you've altered your currency settings on Shein, optimizing your shopping experience for effortless browsing and informed purchasing. Enjoy exploring your new fashion finds with everything displayed in your preferred settings. Thanks for joining me today. Happy shopping, and see you in the next video.